Hello mga kanitang! Welcome back to my vlog again. So for today video guys, samahan nyo kami ni Cardo. Pupunta kami sa may bagong coffee shop here in downtown Nashville. And this is my outfit for today. So yan, nandito na nga kami sa loob. Makikita nyo naman, di ba maraming tao. I think itong coffee shop na to kaka-open lang, so I'm not sure how long. But it's really cute and cool little area. Kasi nga, yung style niya ba ng bakery, para siyang buffet. Pero mga tinapay. And yung price nila dyan, iba-iba yung price, hindi pareho the same yung price nila kasi nga, iba-iba yung pagkagawa at saka yung flavor at saka yung design ba. So they're different prices but they are really good and I can't wait to try this. When I get home I want to eat all of them. But yeah, it's really cute area. And also ako mahilig sa chocolate and excited ako na i-try nyo din to. And hindi nyo to ma-miss guys. Pag pumunta kayo naman downtown, madaanan nyo ito sa my bridge area. Kaso lang, yung problema dito, mahirap yung parking lot. So I think you need to go underneath the bridge and then doon sa malapit sa Pin Mechanical, they have a parking lot area in there but you guys need to pay for that. So tapos na kami kumuha ng mga bread, magpunta na kami sa checkout and binigay ko sa asawa ko kasi sabi ko, syempre ikaw magbayad, syempre ikaw maghawak, alam naman ako, diba? So diba marami pa silang sweet. So ayun, tapos na kami, kumuha ko ng cold frappe and black coffee sa kanya. And that's it for today guys, see you next time, bye!